Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to take a look at some amazing destinations for solo female travelers. Traveling alone can be an exciting and empowering experience, but it's important to choose a safe and welcoming destination. Here are 15 destinations that are perfect for solo female travelers. Iceland is a popular destination for solo travelers, and it's easy to see why. The country is incredibly safe, and its stunning natural landscapes make it an ideal place to explore alone. New Zealand is another safe and friendly destination that's perfect for solo female travelers. The country's breathtaking scenery, outdoor activities, and welcoming locals make it a must-visit destination. Portugal is a charming and affordable European destination that's perfect for solo female travelers. The country's stunning beaches, delicious food, and historic cities make it a must-visit destination. Japan is a fascinating destination that's perfect for solo travelers who want to experience a unique and vibrant culture. The country is incredibly safe, and its efficient public transportation makes it easy to explore on your own. Canada is a vast and beautiful country that's perfect for solo female travelers who want to experience the great outdoors. The country's national parks, charming cities, and friendly locals make it a must-visit destination. Australia is another popular destination for solo travelers. The country's stunning beaches, vibrant cities, and unique wildlife make it an unforgettable destination. Thailand is a popular destination for solo female travelers who want to experience a new culture and cuisine. The country's friendly locals, beautiful beaches, and bustling cities make it a must-visit destination. Ireland is a safe and welcoming destination that's perfect for solo female travelers who want to experience a rich and vibrant culture. The country's stunning scenery, charming towns, and friendly locals make it a must-visit destination. Bali, Indonesia is a popular destination for solo travelers who want to relax and unwind. The island's stunning beaches, yoga retreats, and friendly locals make it a must-visit destination. Norway is a safe and welcoming destination that's perfect for solo female travelers who want to experience the natural beauty of Scandinavia. The country's stunning fjords, charming towns, and friendly locals make it a must-visit destination. Spain is a vibrant and exciting destination that's perfect for solo female travelers who want to experience the country's rich culture and cuisine. The country's stunning beaches, historic cities, and lively nightlife make it a must-visit destination. South Africa is a stunning destination that's perfect for solo female travelers who want to experience the beauty of Africa. The country's stunning wildlife, vibrant cities, and friendly locals make it a must-visit destination. Costa Rica is known for its stunning beaches, lush rainforests, and adventure activities. It's a safe and welcoming country that's perfect for solo female travelers who want to experience the beauty of Central America. Switzerland is a safe and welcoming destination that's perfect for solo female travelers who want to experience the natural beauty of the Swiss Alps. The country's charming towns, scenic hiking trails, and delicious chocolate make it a must-visit destination. Scotland is a charming and welcoming destination that's perfect for solo female travelers who want to experience the country's rich history and culture. The country's stunning landscapes, friendly locals, and historic cities make it a must-visit destination. Remember, no matter where you choose to travel as a solo female traveler, it's important to prioritize your safety and always stay aware of your surroundings. Research the destination beforehand, keep in touch with friends and family back home, and trust your instincts. Solo travel can be an incredible experience, and we hope that these destinations have given you some ideas for your next adventure. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and advice, and happy travels.